Hey, what's up with it, y'all? It's the flyest fragrance aficionado here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the coolest fragrance community on YouTube. Remember, Christopher Lee Fragrances cannot happen without you guys. So if you know something, you better hit that button. What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. I'm coming back with a real delicious video. Okay, so maybe about a month ago, I had first discovered a brand you guys in the comments kept getting me hip to. Y'all kept spamming the comments. Y'all said, Chris, you need to try out this brand called the Dua brand. Okay, and after I've seen it like 30 times, I had put my money where my mouth at, spent like $200, and I had bought 4 fragrances from their company. I had bought Cocoa Milk Treat, Set Your Flames X. I had bought Poseidon's Absolute, Savage Elixir, and I bought Chillin' by the Specific. Okay. Now, when I bought these fragrances, I liked them, and as you can tell, this is the one I've been using a lot. Okay, I've been wearing this one a lot. That's the Chillin' by the Specific. Which one? Oh, yeah, I've been wearing this one too. Look, like I've been putting them on, and I've really been enjoying the Dua brand, right? So when I had made that video, y'all went in the comments and told me y'all's favorite Dua brand fragrances. So I decided to pick up 4 more, you know what I'm saying, by y'all request. And right now I'm gonna do just a first impression of the 4 new ones I got before I do like the before you buy. Cause I don't know, the Dua brand low-key winning me over. They don't cost that much. And I'm kind of realizing that this fragrance company is like making inspired fragrances from the most popular fragrances that we got right now. So for an example, we might like Dior Sauvage Elixir, right? They'll come out with their Dior Sauvage Elixir inspired fragrance, and it smells almost very close to the original. But what they also do is they mix fragrances together and come out with one fragrance. So it's like a layering company too. Okay, so they might mix Dior Sauvage Elixir with Paco Rabanne 1 million, and then come out with a fragrance called Savage 1 billion. You know what I mean? And then they'll just put them 2 scents together and they'll smell good. So let me just tell y'all what I got. You know what I mean? It's so crazy because the last time I had ordered fragrances, they came like in like this little baggie, but now they got a box that open like this. Like it's very fancy now. And I love the design. I love that it sits in here. I love the presentation. So the first fragrance I had picked up is called Savage's Electric Elixir. Okay. Y'all told me to pick this up, so I grabbed it. That's how the bottle looked. Okay, so I'm gonna smell it real quick just to give y'all like a little first impression. I also wanted to tell y'all like the bottles is different too. Like, you know what I mean? Like this the bottle I had before, and these the new bottles. It's the same glass, but it's just the tops is different. So I love that too. Yep, different tops. I like that. So yeah, let's smell this. Let's see what's up. Savage's Electric Elixir. I'm guessing this might be what Dior Sauvage Elixir with YSL Electric. Okay. Wow, this smells. It's like a spicy, fresh fragrance. It smells good. Spicy, fresh, and it got that Dua DNA. Like all the Dua fragrances got this thing about them that they all smell similar. But this one right here, Savage's Electric Elixir, I like it. Warm, spicy. It's like a fresh, warm, and spicy. Okay, you could tell it was like a fresh fragrance mixed with like a warm, spicy fragrance. That's what this smells like. It smells good. I might wear this today. I'm gonna wear the hell out these fragrances, man. I know me. And I think I could put them all on my shelf, like side by side, and just had a name right there. I like how they did that. Let's move on to the next one. Put this back in the coffin. All right, y'all. And by the way, this was like what, $200 for all 4 of these. This one I'm really excited. I forgot who told me to get this one, but this is called Drowning in Craters Vanilla. It got an ice cream cone on it, so you just know it's gonna smell creamy and vanilla-y, right? Let me see what this smell like. Just let that dry down a little bit. Oh. This smells like, you know what this smells like? Imagine if you had a Sprite and then you wanted to make like a root beer float, but instead of the root beer float, you use Sprite. So it's like a Sprite float, you know what I mean? Fill it up with Sprite, dump you some vanilla ice cream on top. That's what this smells like. A lemon, lime, vanilla fragrance. This is great. That's just different. I like that. And this one is called, like I said, yo, this is called Drowning in Craters Vanilla. That was interesting. All right. So this next one I got is called, now this got a long ass name. This says, Imagine Poseidon chilling at the Pacific with Fire God. That's like super specific. Check that artwork out. Yeah, it looks very different, y'all. Go ahead and see how this smells. I don't know what this is supposed to smell like, but y'all recommended me to get it. Let me see. Oh, it smells like chilling by the Pacific. Oh, I didn't even catch that. So I already got the original chilling by the Pacific, but this is Imagine Poseidon chilling by the Pacific with the Fire God. It really kind of smelled like identical to chilling by the Pacific, if I was gonna be honest. Let me see. They're super close. I can't really tell the difference. I think I just got damn bought the same fragrance. Maybe I gotta wait until the dry down. The color of the oils is a different color. Like the colors of the oil is different. Like, you know what I mean? Like this one is more like, I say like a tanner color, and this one more clear. So I'm gonna wait until the dry down, but that one smells good. But you can tell it's inspired by chilling by the Pacific. I'm gonna stop putting these in the box and leave them out. All right, y'all. Lastly but not least, I have this fragrance, and this one is what I'm really excited about. This is called Vanilla Brandy. Vanilla Brandy. Who wouldn't like a vanilla brandy fragrance? That just sounds great. I gotta find a place I ain't spray. Oh, now this is good. This smell like if Tom Ford Vanilla Sex had a baby with Killian Angel share. No, this smell like if Tom Ford Vanilla Sex had a baby with Killian's Apple Brandy. This my favorite one. This, oh my goodness, this is great. That was fire. I like that. Wow. I can't wait to give y'all a full review of that one. That one is good. Wow. All right, y'all. So check me out, man. I got 4 new fragrances by the Duo brand. Wow. I'm gonna put their website down below. And if I see a code on their website, I'm gonna put the code down below too. But hey man, my Duo collection growing. I got 8 already. 8 Duo brand fragrances. I'm gonna get them all. I just like how this look, y'all. Look at this. Y'all can't even see it. But I got 8 of them. I hate that the tops. I want to email them and be like, can y'all send me the regular top? Like, can y'all just send me the tops, the regular tops? But yeah, these fragrances is dope. I'm becoming a fan. All right. All right, man. Let me know in the comments more dual brand fragrances you want me to go pick up, because I would do that. All right. I love y'all so much. I'm Big Boss, and I'm out.